What's going on, everybody? Wade here with Zimco Instrumentation. We're back in our wonderful warehouse today, but we're checking out our Kenco aisle. Specifically today, we're going to be talking about our oil level controllers. Oil level controllers are a vital piece of equipment for your compressor and engine needs in the field. They maintain the oil level in your system and intact tight shut off at the minimum and maximum levels. We carry a variety of different controllers here based on the compressor or engine you need in the field. If you're not 100% sure what you need, give us a shout and we'll figure it out for you. But today we're going to be focusing on one of our most popular items, our RK-KLCE, the entire top works kit for the Kenco electric level controller. I'm going to show you how easy this thing is to change out in the field. It's easy as this. Pop off the 4 bolts on top of the old housing. This is of course after you've disconnected your electrical safety, taken off your inlet and outlet hoses. The entire assembly is just going to come right out. We'll put that to the side, and your new RK-KLCE is just going to slide right in. We're going to button this back up. Once I've gotten my bolts back in place and tightened, put your inlet and outlet hoses back on, safely reconnect your electrical, and this thing's ready to go back online. Now, the RK-KLCE isn't the only repair kit we offer. We carry a variety of soft goods. We've got the different oil level switches. If you can open it up and figure out which one is causing you a problem, I can get it out to you same day. We even carry the polycarbonate lens that goes on the front of the oil level controller so that you can see clearly into the controller and make sure it's working properly. All of our repair kits are here and designed to minimize your downtime. You can't spell minimize without Z. Give Zimco a call today. Check us out online on all of our socials or shoot us an email. Thanks guys, appreciate your time, and I'll see you next time.